What's up, folks? I have a top screen to replace, period. So let's get to it. Alright. First off, gotta start. Take the battery cover off, and first of all, this ain't even the right cover, period. Oh, it's already halfway apart, period. Stupid screw. Alright. Thankfully, there are no top screen screws. Screws holding the top assembly in, so it's gonna make this job go a lot faster. Period. Alright. So now it's time to get the screen out. Fairly simple. Coil. Yeah, just coil the wire. And then just push it right out. Period. There you go. Old one out. And in with the new. Period. Alright. Alright. All I have to do is coil the wire. Now, since there's nothing else that I have to deal with, I can just slide it right in. No camera wire. That's great. Honestly. Because it makes the job a lot easier. Period. No microphone wire, no Wi-Fi antenna wire. Perfect. Oh, but I do have this. So I'm gonna have to keep it coiled. Ugh. Gotta have the hinge support though, or your screen will break. Period. Well, not the screen, but the wire. That is one thing I don't want. Period. Stupid hinge. Get back in there. Period. Alright, power wire. I mean, not power wire, the power button. And then we have the joystick. Flip it over. Get everything into place. Wire. Where'd the cover go? Cover. Ugh. Let's grab a random cover for now. Not selling this one, so I don't care. It can be whatever color I want, period. And now, here we go. There you go. Top screen is working, and so is the bottom. That is how you replace your top screen on your Nintendo DSi XL. I know the camera's a bit blurry, I don't know why. That's better. Probably just because the brightness is low on here. I know I still have the speakers to solder, but you guys already know it works. I just gotta put the bezel around it. So that one's fixed. I don't think this charges either. Alright, well I fixed it. See you in the next video. Period.